Hi Diamond Painters, so today I'm going to be bringing you sort of 3 unboxings today. I forgot that I hadn't done these. I thought I had. So one of them I have already diamond painted. It was done in 2 days, but I'll show you that picture and stay tuned for 2 unboxings of some new Diamond Dots at Home diamond paintings. Hey everyone, so I'm going to be bringing you 3 exclusive designs from Diamond Dots at Home today. I'm going to do 2 unboxings and then just show you one that's already completed. These are 3 of our new designs that were just released here before the end of the year. We got some exciting news coming up with some new stuff coming out and some exciting news, so I don't want to go too much into that yet. But this is an exclusive design to my website, so my website will be in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my videos and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with everything. And there is a code going on right now, Hello21 or 2021, and you'll get 25% off your order. Okay, so this one is one of our new exclusive designs. It is an intermediate design. It's called Smaller Miracles, and you know it's intermediate because it's a purple box. And again, on the boxes, we have the little details that show you how many colors are in the box and what the design looks like and how many drills are drilled. So your drill count is there. If it'll go back into focus for me, see if I can get it to focus. That glare always gets me. See if I can unglare it. Focus in. So this one has 25 colors, 9,374 dots, and it is a partial because it is only drilled with the flowers and the hummingbird. So let's open it up to see what you get. Now with our intermediate designs in your toolkit, you get a silver drill pen that is a single placer, so I will show you guys that. You get the amazing diamond dot drills, which I love how they're cut, and the amazing colors. So here's your toolkit, and like I said, every intermediate comes with a silver drill placer, single placer, with your tray and your wax, the usual type situation. And then your colors. Now just look at these colors. Look how beautiful they are. Vibrant, very vibrant colors. You got your purples, your greens, your reds, your blacks, and you even have a few AB, I think, in this one. I thought I saw, yeah, we have one AB color, which is just the white AB, but your beautiful AB color. You got your purples, your greens, your browns, just amazing colors. So there are 25 colors here. So we'll fold those back up and put those back in, and I'll show you the canvas. So Diamond Dots drills are very vibrant in color. There's usually little trash in their drills. They don't have a lot of trash. Of course, you're going to have that with any company because of how the drills are made. They are 13 facet drills, shaped facet drills, which catch the light very amazingly. Alright, so here's the canvas. Again, you get your instruction sheet. Let's be careful with her. Okay, my kids are playing. And you get your hummingbird. Is that not gorgeous? So it is a partial. You got your 2 sides over here of your chart. And let me just show you how clear the symbols are. They'll focus in. So that's how clear. There they go. Small miracles. See, very clear symbols. I've never had a problem of not seeing what the symbols are. The print on the canvas is just amazing print, high quality, no blur, the color is intense. Never have I had a problem with color or anything, okay? The design is 12.2 by 16.1 inches, so a little bit of a different shape design. Now you'll notice a new thing that they have started doing here is adding an extra little color on the side. See that, how there's extra? So that way when you frame it, say like you're going to frame it like an actual canvas artwork, it gives you that extraness to do over there. So the design does no longer goes to the edge of the printed area. They give you about a ½ an inch of printed area to give you that extra look to it if you decide how to frame it, okay? So this one again is our intermediate one. It is called Small Miracles. I'm actually going to start that one today. I'm going to kit it up later, so I'm not going to necessarily roll that one up too much. I'm just going to place it over to the side and all that. Whoops. Now, this one is another intermediate. This one is called Evening Escape, and it is 7 colors, 7,186 colors. Again, it's just a partial. This box is a little bit bigger. You only are going to diamond paint the lady and not the whole thing. So this one is already done, so let me show you this one. This one was really easy and fast to do. It'd probably be more of a snack size for some of you guys out there. Okay, so you want to play with that one? So it is a snack size, and this is what it looks like when it's done. So again, very easily done, not a whole lot to do, but it is very pretty, and you can see the sparkle and the way the light hits it. It's just so pretty, and like I said, you can use that code to get 25% off, okay? And the last one I have is an advanced one. It is, it does come with a little extra drill thing, as you see my little one walking around. So here's the last one. It is an advanced one called Autumn Lake. I got this one because my husband liked it, and it is a full drill canvas, okay? So the whole picture is drilled. You get this special little, you can call it a cover minder or a cover holder. It's just a little crystal I'll show you in the box. All our advanced kits come with it. The advanced kits come with gold pins, but here's your information again on there. This one is 40 colors, 41,250 drills. And let's open it up and see what we got. I don't know if I haven't even opened this one. So I'm going to cut it open. Right here. You got the canvas. And you got your drills. Put that to the side. So in this one, you got the special little, all our advanced kits come with one of these. As of right now, you either get blue or pink. So here's your little blue one. And this is, if you're not sure how the diamond dots are shaped, this is basically a bigger version of how the drills are shaped. So to me, I like to call this kind of more shaped like a diamond because it has a flat top. So it's kind of shaped like what you get in your rings. And it has 13 beautiful facets that just catch the light. But you can use this as a paperweight or a cover thing. I know, baby, it's okay. It's over here. And then, again, your toolkit, which does come with a gold one. The beginner ones come with a rainbow color, and that one is so pretty. They look heavy, but they're not. They're very lightweight. They also have a little drill jewel at the end, or a gem, whatever you want to call it. Now, 40 colors. Woo. And an AB. So here's your green AB. So you do have your green 5008. Diamond Dots does use their own drill code. However, if you'd like to get a conversion chart, you can comment below and I'll be happy to send that to you. Or you can go to diamonddotz.com and there's a conversion chart underneath their freestyle kit section. Okay, so a lot of browns in this one, but not too many that you get multiple packages. it looks like. All different packages of the colors. So if you can see here, it's like an autumn color. Hold on, baby girl. Okay. And green, so that is the beautiful color. And let me quickly get to the canvas. I'll just put those off to the side and pack it up later. So I will get to the canvas to show you guys. Now this is a big one. It is a little bit bigger than what I thought it would be. Whew. And again, you'll notice that it has that extra little print. I'll show you on the side over here. So it doesn't just end right there. It has that extra print. Hold on, baby girl. I'm almost done. And then you have your clear, a lot of confetti in here. So you have that going on. So there's that. But really quickly, because you hear my daughter crying, nap time. The boat, and I can't even get this whole thing in there. So this design is 28 inches by 18.5 inches long. So you have that, and it's just, it's so gorgeous. You have the reflection on the lake. I can't even open it, but this one I'm going to save for later. But this one I did get for my husband, and woo! This one's probably going to take me a while, being that it is a lot of confetti in there. Not a lot of, what's it called? Color, I can't even remember right now. My mind went blank. But a lot of the same colors, what I'm trying to say. I mean, you have your blacks and stuff, but definitely a lot of confetti. So if you like a lot of confetti, this one would be good for you. And again, it is our advanced one. This one is called Autumn Lake, and it is very pretty. You can see the colors are amazing. I want to say thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you're interested, go check out my website, joelrenacreations.diamonddotsathome.com, for all these exclusive designs, and stay tuned for more exclusives coming soon and some exciting news.